It's just the soap. See, look, it's like a soft shower. Here it goes. See, it's like bubble soap. Bubble soap.
You just put soap. He's gonna put soap on his window.
Here it comes.
Oh, it's all soapy now.
Isn't it cool? Now it's gonna spray us off. See, now it's gonna spray all the soap off. Here comes the water.
Here comes the water.
Another shower. Oh, we get double soap. Oh, double soap. I thought it was.
It was what?
I thought we were gonna get water and we'll get more soap.
Is it just water?
Oh, wow.
Well, like a washer. Like it's washing.
Took a big bath.
This water. This.
Coming back around. More soap. Thank you.
That's tomato.
Just get the last part, please. Because now the water's coming. Just letting it soak for a minute. Just get all the dirt running down. See all the dirt.
Who's that? Is it just a car wash?
Just a car wash. Here it comes.
Doing that.
It's just the water. Look, isn't it cool?
It's on the back window. Oh no, it's going over here.
This is your first time. You finally have enough. You're so brave. Finally, you're ready. You told us.
Did you see that? It's washing her.
See, that's the dryer right there. It says Max Air. Those 3 spouts or 6 spouts. We're gonna drive through that after.
Whoa, it's. Oh!
Isn't it cool?
Did you see that? Like it's blowing the water there.
This is good for music watch.
No, the water's coming on our
It's the
side.
same as all the
On
other
an
ones.
hour
The only
wait.
difference with the other one is the rust is in here. Got on because I already have it.
All right, here comes the dryer.
Alright, you want to hold it to go through the
You
dryer?
want to see the dryer work?
Oh, stop!
He's just pushing his hair out. Here we go. It's like a vacuum.
No, it's close.
Why does it suck up the wipers? Just because the air?
Close.
This is what a plane feels like.